discuss about the trigonometry. Okay, now today we have to take some examples to how to put the values and get the answer. Now first question is like with the sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to 2 sin 30 or cos 30. You have to prove that sin 60 is equal to 2 sin 30 and cos 60. Okay students, रिकॉल करिए yesterday हमने आपको बताया हुआ था कि कैसे करना है. तो you can take the first LHS left hand side लेते हैं. Left hand side means here is given the value of a sin 60. Okay, टेबल यदि आपको लर्न है तो आप जाइए टेबल में sin 60. sin 60 की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी आपकी √3/2. That is the value of a sin 60. That is the equation 1. Again we are taking the right hand side value. Right hand side value means what is given that 2 sin 30 or cos 30. Okay students, now what is the value of a sin 30? Yes, कितना 1/2 into cos 30. Cos 30 that is the value of √3/2. Both the values. Now we have 2 into 1/2 into √3/2. Both 2 to 2 is cancelled. What is √3/2? That is the equation 2. So now we can say what is left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence true. Okay students, देखिए क्या फाइंड करना था आपको. sin 60 की वैल्यू दी गई है, मालूम है आपको sin 30 की वैल्यू मालूम है, cos 30 की वैल्यू मालूम है. पुट करें और इससे अपना आंसर आप लेके आ सकते हैं. ठीक है, अब हम लेते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है sin स्क्वायर 30 प्लस cos square 30 is equal to 1. Next question क्या है आपको स्टूडेंट्स? Look at that. That is the next question. Sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is equal to 1. आपको प्रूव करना है. Okay, you can say prove that. What is you have to prove that? Sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is equal to 1. Okay students, now we have sin square 30 means you can write here sin 30 whole square, then cos 30 whole square. ओके, साइन स्क्वायरिंग मींस साइन का स्क्वायर नहीं होता है. किसका स्क्वायर होगा? एंगल का. हमेशा स्क्वायरिंग किसका होता है? एंगल का. नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ sin 30? याद करिए आप. ओके, कितना? यस, 1/2. और cos 30 दैट वैल्यू इज √3/2 का होल स्क्वायर. ओके, 1/2 स्क्वायर मींस 1/4. √3 का होल स्क्वायर, रूट कैंसिल आउट, देन 3/4. टेकिंग द एलसीएम इज 4. And 1 plus 3, that is the value is 4/4. Means you can get the value is 1. Now hence it is also a proof. That is a very simple question. We have to just generally putting the value. Now next question. Look at the students. Okay, इन questions में doubt हो तो आप comments लिख के हमें बता सकते हैं कहाँ problem है तो हम उसको explain कर सकते हैं. Next question. 2 sin square 30 tan 60 minus 3 cos square 60 into sec square 30 is equal to √3 minus 2/2. Okay, first we can take LHS. Okay, LHS 2 sin 30. What we can write? Sin 30 whole square. Then tan 60 minus 3 cos 60 whole square sec 30 whole square. Okay, we have to already discuss about we cannot write in the sin 30 square. आप क्या करेंगे? 30 स्क्वायर मतलब 900. वैल्यू जो भी वो फाइंड होगी, लेकिन पॉसिबल नहीं है कि आप अभी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. हमेशा किसका स्क्वायर होता है? एंगल्स का. ठीक है, देन व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ sin 30? sin 30 वैल्यू इज 1/2 होल स्क्वायर. tan 60, यस रिकॉल करिए, tan 60 √3 minus 3 cos 60 का जब वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है तो cos 60 की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? 1/2 होल स्क्वायर. एंड sec 30 इसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? cos 30 मींस √3/2. इसका अपोजिट क्या करेंगे? 2/√3 का होल स्क्वायर. देखिए हमने आपको कल प्रीवियस वीडियो में बताया था वैल्यू आपको लर्न करना जरूरी है. लर्न नहीं होगी तो कहीं ना कहीं आप मिस्टेक्स कर सकते हैं और हो सकती हैं. 2 1/2 स्क्वायर मींस 1/4 √3 that value is 1/4. Here is a 4/3. What? 2 square is a 4 and √3 is a 3. Then 2, there is a 2/4 into √3 minus 3 is cancelled, 4 is cancelled. That value is 1. Here is also 2 upon 4 into root 3 minus 1. 2 1 ja 2 2. What value? Root 3 upon 2 minus 1. Then we are taking the LCM. LCM is a 2. Then root 3 minus 2. Root 3 is minus 2. That is the value. Root 3 minus 2. That value we have to find that. It means hence proves. Okay students, any doubt? Okay. 3. Yes students, we are taking the next questions. If sin A plus B is equal to 1 is equal to cos A minus B. Okay, now question. Sin A plus B is equal to 1 equal to cos A minus B, then find the value of A and B. Okay, now according to questions, what is given that? It is given that sin A plus B is equal to 1. Okay, and second one is a cos A minus B is equal to 1. Both the value are 1. Okay. So now that is the equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 1, sin A plus B is equal to 1. Yes students, you can know that. What is? Remind करिए. क्या रिमाइंड करेंगे? 1. साइन में 1 की वैल्यू याद आया? यस. क्या? साइन 90. Okay. Then sin R is cancel. A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Again, from my equation, we can given that is naming of equation third. From equation second. What is equation second? Cos A minus B is equal to 1. Then we can know that the value of 1 in the form of cos. Then what is the value is? Cos 0. Then both cos cancel. A minus B is equal to 0. From my equation, which one? Yes. Which one? Third and fourth. Now third equation is A plus B is equal to 90. Then A minus B is equal to 0. Both the values plus minus sign are cancel. B cancel. Then 2A is equal to 90. Then A is equal to 90 divided by 2. Its value is a 45. Okay. That value is a 45. Again, what is? A plus B is equal to 90. The value of A is 45. Then what is the value of B? B is also a 45. Okay students, any doubt? क्या करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन में? Sin A plus B, तो you can find the value of sin in the term of 1. क्या होती वैल्यू? वो पुट की, that is a 90. And cos A minus B is equal to 1. What is the value of 1 in the term of cos? Then it is a cos 0. So we can find that the two equations, then again two equations, solve it, then find the value of A and B. That is your question. Then find the value of A and B. Okay students. Now we have to take the another question. Okay. Now question is, if sin 90 is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, then by using tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, then find the value of theta. Okay students. Sin 90 is equal to what value? 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Here is a tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan. So you have to now look at that both the sin 90's value and the sin 2 theta values are equal. So we can write here sin 90 is equal to, what is given that? 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now second one is our tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. That is the equation 1 and equation 2. Both the 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta and the 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, both values are equal. So from my equation 1 is equal to 2. Why equation 1 is equal to 2? Because sin 90's value 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta and tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Both values are equal. So now we can say that what is sin 90 is equal to tan 2 theta. Okay, understand? Then here What is sin 90? The value of sin 90? Yes. Yes. Tell me what is the value of sin 90? भूल गए? Remind आ रहा कुछ? Okay. Then what is the value of sin 90? याद करिए यदि आपको कुछ याद होता हो तो sin 90 की वैल्यू क्या हो सकती है या tan 2 theta. Sin 90 we can know that sin 90 value is a 1, that is a tan 2 theta. But you have to remember that the value of 1 in the term of 10. Okay. So we can know that the value of 1 in the 10, that is a tan 45. Yes. By using the table. Tan 45 is equal to tan 2 theta. Both the tan are cancelled. Then what is a 45 degree is equal to 2 theta. Then 45 upon 2, that is the value is a 22.5 degree is equal to theta. So what is the value of theta is equal to 22.5 degree. Okay students, I think you understand. Okay, now thank you.